This video explains a new Lightning Network Plus service called Lightning Liquidity Pool. But before we jump in to explain the pool, let's quickly clarify what is the Lightning Network and what is Lightning Network Plus. What is the Lightning Network? The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a Layer 2 scaling solution that enables fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. By running a Lightning Network node, you can not only give yourself the opportunity to send and receive Satoshis instantly for an extremely low fee without making any on-chain transactions. You also contribute to the Bitcoin network's decentralization and will have the chance to have a new source of passive income from the routing fees that come from forwarding other people's transactions through your Lightning node. What is LN Plus? Lightning Network Plus, or LN Plus for short, is a complementary web application designed to facilitate collaboration among Bitcoin Lightning Network node operators. With LN Plus, users can effortlessly discover and connect with one another, establish liquidity for their nodes, and enhance the security of their configurations. Additionally, LN Plus also features a marketplace where visitors can find stores that accept Lightning payments or actively serve the Lightning Network. What is the Liquidity Pool? A brand new service from LN Plus is the Liquidity Pool. Building on the tremendous success of the liquidity swaps, the Liquidity Pool aims to offer a new way for node operators to cooperate in a fair, organic, and continuous way. The Liquidity Pool is a database of nodes that are accepting channel opening offers and willing to pay in return with liquidity credits, which is an internal credit within LN Plus. By opening a channel to a node, you earn liquidity credits, which you can use to pay other nodes to open channel to you. Thus, the liquidity credits help create a circular system where nodes can earn and spend liquidity credits to open and receive channels. How to get into the pool? In order to be part of the pool and receive channels to your node, you need to have liquidity credits. There are two ways to acquire liquidity credits, and I will demonstrate them both. The first most popular and recommended way is to get them for free in return for opening channels to another node in the pool. The second is a straightforward way that is mostly applicable to merchants. You can buy liquidity credits from LN Plus by clicking the Buy Credits button on the pool page. What do you need to get started? You need to have a Lightning Network node. You need to have at least one channel on your node, so we can see you on the Lightning Network. You need to have Satoshis to open channels with. You don't need liquidity credits to get started. You will earn liquidity credits by opening to a node in the liquidity pool. Walkthru. The pool works through agreements between node operators referred to as credit transactions or offers. In these agreements, node operators agree to exchange the service of opening a channel for liquidity credits. Since there are two sides to each credit transaction, I will demonstrate both sides in a quick walkthrough. First node visits the pool and browses the nodes within it. First node picks a node which has enough liquidity credits to match the size of the channel they want to open. First node creates a credit transaction which has a specific channel size and a fixed 50-day duration. Second node receives a notification about the offer and can decide to either accept or reject. If rejected, there's no commitment or obligation. The first node is free to extend the offer to another node. If accepted, the first node opens the channel using the node information provided by LN Plus. Once the channel is opened, the first node signals this through LN Plus. Next, LN Plus will detect the new channel and let both nodes know that the channel has been established. From now on, every day the channel is open, the credits will flow from the second node to the first node as payment for the open channel. Once the channel is open for 50 days, the credit transaction is considered complete. At this point, all the credits are transferred to the first node. The channel can stay open or be closed. There is no pressure either way, but it's recommended to keep it open for as long as possible. Now the first node has liquidity credits and thus it enters the pool automatically. The minimum number of liquidity credits required to receive a channel is 100,000 Satoshis, because smaller channels do not make much practical sense. That's all. Ready to dive into the future of Lightning transactions? Join us at our pool party now at lightningnetwork.plus/pool. Thank you.